doing here?
Jakey!
Ah, Tom.
How are you, mate?
I'm good, mate. How are you?
Very good, thank you.
Good to see
indeed.
you.
And to you, mate. This is nice, isn't it?
Thank you, yeah.
Very nice indeed. What are these microphones about? Do you know anything about them?
I was going to ask you the same thing.
I don't know too much about...
Oh, no.
What's going on?
Hello, mate.
How are you, mate? You good?
Tom? Yeah, I'm all right.
Good.
Listen, love your fluffy microphones.
Thank you.
You obviously are wondering what's going on.
Yeah.
Yes.
You are both superstar BTCC drivers.
That we are.
Yeah.
You both represent Diamondbrite in the BTCC.
That we do.
We do, yeah.
You both like a bit of competition.
Oh, we've been known to have a bit.
Yeah, over the years.
Yeah.
Right, okay, well, I have for you a competition. You're going to go against each other in the Diamondbrite BTCC challenge using amazing Diamondbrite products. How does that sound?
That sounds good.
Okay,
I
very
do
good.
like the sound of it.
What is a challenge without a prize at the end?
Well, what's the prize?
We love prizes.
Well, I can't really tell you at the minute, but I will say it is amazing. Are you ready?
I think so. Go on then, let's do it.
The sun's shining. What better day to do it?
Crack on.
Let's do it.
Okay, boys, this is the Diamondbrite Mobile, and this is the car you're going to be using the Diamondbrite products on to clean the vehicle for the competition. Sound good?
It sounds very good.
Yeah. How are we going to judge it? Do you know?
Well, you're going to judge it, aren't you?
No, I can't judge it because I'm rubbish. How are we going to judge it? Let me introduce Lance to the equation. Lance is from Diamondbrite and all right mate, doesn't say too much. How, Lance, are you going to judge this? Can you show us? Jake and Tom, perfect. I think this could work an absolute treat. Let's crack on with the challenges. So the first challenge is upon us. It's called Ruby, 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 Ruby. Easy for you to say. Okay, so using the Ruby Red from Diamondbrite, we're going to get you to squirt it on the wheels. 2 wheels you will have to squirt it on. Leave it for a few minutes, jet wash it off.
Okay.
And then using this beautiful microfiber drying towel, you're then going to dry it off.
Okay.
Sounds good. We're going to check the results. Does that sound all right?
I think we can manage that, can't we?
That's easy, yeah?
Okay, we need to know who's going to go first. How are we going to do that? Lance, I know how we're going to do that. Heads or tails?
Tails never fails.
Heads for me, always.
Okay, Lance. It is heads! Pick a side.
Driver's side.
Nice.
Very good.
Okay, let's crack on.
Oh, he's not messing around, is he?
He's not going to leave you any. Oh, it does go red, doesn't it? He's done all right there. I'm impressed. All right, mate. I think that's enough now, lad. This cloth's nearly as big as him.
Come on, you got one bit. Oh, I'm tiny.
Hang on a minute, mate. It's not football. You can't like come in and get into the ref. You just stay there.
Right, let's have a go with this then. Looking how much you use, Jake, I'm not going to be shy here.
I'm going to be honest, I don't think you've used enough.
Well, looking how much you use, mate, I'm surprised I've got any left.
He's got like a different action to you. He's getting round the back, mate.
He is, yeah.
I'd be worried. Actually, I think this side's dirtier than the other side you've done.
I'm going for
I reckon my side was dirtier.
I'm going for the wet line here, you see, around the outside. Right, last little bit.
Have you... Mate, don't do the tyres as well.
What are you doing?
It's not tyre shy.
This ain't fair.
Oh, you're taking the mickey now, mate. He's got a lot of drying to do now, hasn't he?
I think if he'd gone first, he wouldn't have had enough. Yeah, well, you're supposed to get it on the car, not on you.
Yeah, mate. Look at your boots. No!
Right, well, hold on. I learnt a little trick.
Oh, come off it.
No, you can't, mate. That's cheating.
It's illegal.
You can't do that. I love how the bits that you thought were going to be actually dirtier are cleaner than the done.
It's well unfair.
Hey, I learnt a little trick here recently, you see.
He's proper had you off, mate. Okay then, Lance. We need to know who won the Ruby, 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 Ruby. Thanks. Challenge. Tom is the winner. Oh, very nice.
Very good.
Ah, that worked well. Right, on to the next challenge. Okay, boys, we have the next challenge, and it's called I'm Talking About the Car Wash. Very nice. First of all, on the sides that you're using to clean, you're going to jet wash the car, make it wet. Okay? Once you've done that, you will be applying Diamondbrite Lift Off, which will get rid of most of the muck and grime. Okay, then you will rinse it off again. This is where it gets nice. We now have the ceramic shampoo to be applied, which will put a layer of ceramic on the car. Okay, but to do that, you're going to use one of these wash mitts. Okay,
They look nice.
We'll go in this clean water bucket here, then into the ceramic shampoo, clean, back into the water, clean, back into the shampoo, and go again.
Okay.
Wash it off. Still with me?
It's a lot of washing.
A lot of washing. And then, finally, the rinse and shine from Diamondbrite. That will be applied, and then it'll be rinsed off with our microfiber drying towel. Does that sound good to you?
Sounds good to me.
Sounds a bit lengthy, but let's do it.
Cup of tea?
I've got to wait. It's not a car wash for that cup of tea, is it? So
Good job you're not first then. Jake Hill, you're first. Let's go.
let's go. Starting from the bottom. Controversial. Just going to use a whole bottle just out of spite now. Look. He just look at that. He doesn't care. Always going straight in. Look.
Oh,
It's clean, you see. Clean start.
Holding the windscreen first. Running short, actually. Not to worry.
oh,
He's double dipped.
yeah.
You know what happens when you double dip?
You get grit in your mitt.
How much of the other products we used? I was just going to say, he's very liberal with it.
Oh, wow.
That's how I want it.
Hey, fair play.
Shine to that.
Wow.
Are you not going to pick up on the scratch again like you did last time? Or?
Yet. I've got to say, that does look mint.
I'm impressed with that.
The finger test at the front here, Tom.
Behind.
He's proper let himself down. Right then.
Top bombing.
Okay. It's your turn, Captain.
I've learned all the tricks of the Showdown from Jake, so thank you very much. Thankfully I could reach the roof, so this might be a little bit easier for me, but let's give it a go. Pressure washer on first is usually a good help. You missed a bit there, mate.
Yeah. How's your boots, Tom?
Again?
He doesn't know what the order is, does he?
Mate, you be careful of those windows.
Okay, mate, thank you.
It's a good technique, this mate.
Thank you very much.
It's very nice. But I do love how he's just basically blasted all the dirt from his side onto yours.
Not fair, is it?
Got his gritty mitt out.
You gritty mitty.
Oh! He doesn't.
And that's the clean one.
Yeah, no, that is the clean one. Oh,
You gotta mark him down for that.
that you can't be asking questions like that if you're a pro mitt cleaner.
Well, thankfully for me, I'm not.
It's cleaner because it's green. Oh,
I'm all good. I'm just checking the instructions.
oh, taking it proper seriously.
Start off the bodywork first, not the windows.
Oh,
A
mate.
bit of dirt from your wrap.
That's still. Oh my god!
Where's the black flag?
Yeah.
Okay, so the car wash challenge is over. I'm talking about the car wash. Lance, I think you should tell us who has won that challenge? Oh, it's Jake! Lovely. Well, the car looks amazing. And I think it's on to our final round. Okay, everyone, this is it. The final challenge to get our winner for the day. It is called Heart of Glass. And it's nice, isn't it?
It's very good like that.
We're going to be using this fantastic Diamondbrite product, Ultra Glass. You spray on, you buff off with a microfiber cloth.
Sounds good.
Sound good to you?
Yeah.
Different element this time. There's a stopwatch involved. Quickest person who does the best job. And Lance will be telling us who that is. Ready? Okay, gentlemen. Ultra Glass at the ready, and where is it?
It's just in there, poised, ready to go.
Okay.
I'm ready. I told you I'm ready to go.
Unbelievable.
What's this all about? Unbelievable, Jeff.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Don't forget the little glass at the back.
Lovely. Lovely. Who is going to be the first to finish? Oh!
Done.
And it's down. He's putting a few more seconds on it. You're still, whoa, 15 seconds over. Wow. By the way, you're done, and there's another one done. I think we're gonna have to bring our judge in for the final time. Remember, it's 1-1. Jake won, Tom won. Lance, please come in. We need to now know who the winner is for the whole day. So let's find out from our final challenge who's won. Lance, please take me to the side. Stop cleaning the cars. Lance, please take me to the side you're gonna inspect first. Here we go. Tom. Oh, he's got like a. Oh, what is that mark? So we need first who won that challenge, and then secondly, who's won overall. Because I can't figure that out.
No, it's just one of each.
No,
Whoever wins the whole thing.
Doesn't get the joke, does he?
No.
Okay. Lance from Diamondbrite, the referee of the whole day. Who is our overall winner because they just won that challenge that we just did? Okay, go. Oh my word! Yes!
First win of the weekend.
What a winner! Well done, mate.
Thank you, Lance.
Excellent. Right.
Tom,
Congratulations.
thank you.
Well done. Okay.
Thank you.
I think now
Do we get to know what the surprise is now?
the only thing is that Lance is the only person who knows what the surprise is. So I think we should let everybody now know that he does actually speak. So, Lance from Diamondbrite, firstly, how did they do?
Very good. I think Tom was very good on the wheels, very particular, couldn't knock that at all. There wasn't a mark on it, as you saw when I did it. Used probably a bit too much product, but that doesn't matter. That's fine. I'd rather that than not use enough and skimp on it. But to be fair, Jake did a very good job as well. It's just fine margins, as you know. The cleaning, I just felt Jake was a bit more particular, and he did it from top down as well. And he
can't reach the top.
did every section. I mean, Tom did miss a bit under the arches, which I pointed out.
It's the height. I couldn't.
So, but well done, guys.
Thank you very much.
Both did a very good job.
Thank you,
Now
Lance.
it's,
Well, I would say thank you, but I didn't win, so.
Okay, Lance, open the boot and show us the prize.
for your Jake, for your cat.
Look at that.
Thanks, Lance.
Amazing.
For turning up.
Good.
Something for Yuri as well.
Boys,
We're both a winner.
They are both winners.
Explain,
Thank you very
gentlemen.
much.
That's good.
We thought it would be better to keep something for your animals.
That is good.
Firstly, because we figured you'd got enough trophies to probably fill a warehouse each.
Jake has.
Well,
My two cats, Maggie and Cleo, will probably annoy me with this, but you know, thank you very much, Lance. That's much appreciated.
thank you
Amazing.
for taking part. We appreciate it, and I hope you've had a bit of fun.
My boots
in
are
the
a bit
process.
dirty, but other than that, we've had a great
Now
time.
you know how to clean the car properly.
Some of us do. Some of us know how to clean the wheels, but
At least
And I'm even had to clean the car.
at least the car's clean. That's all that matters, isn't it? Boys, it's been a pleasure. Well done.
thank you.
Spot on. Well done.
Thanks, Lance.
Absolutely love it. And there we have it. the BTCC Diamondbrite Car Wash Challenge completed. Hope you enjoyed it. We did. So there you go, everybody. If you want your pride and joy to shine like this, then make sure you go to Diamondbrite's website and check out their products there. And you're going to see these guys representing Diamondbrite trackside soon.